Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Maybe we'll talk in a little soft because my daughter's in the other room and I'm hoping I can show you guys my quick little haul real quick. It is a GoldPaperPrints haul. The add-ons that I usually get, I changed one, which I'm kicking myself because I just realized why I was getting that one. And yeah, I just want to show you guys this. This is the new format. However, by the time this goes up, the newest reformat will be going up. And she promises that she's gonna stop after this, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and get on to the haul. I got 4 weekly kits, and I also got 4 weekly kits with 4 add-ons each. And I spent less than $50 total because GoldPaperPrints does like to have the really good sales. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram to find out what kind of sale is going to be coming up when this goes up. I believe it will be the same date as the sale, if not the day after. And yeah, the sale is usually for 4 to 5 days, usually Thursday through Monday or Friday through Monday. Either way, when this goes up, I'll be able to tell you more in the description down below on the sale and everything. But I got 4 kits with 4 add-ons each for less than $50. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, first up we have Trick or Sweets. I got the glitter add-ons, and I got the same add-ons, and these are going to be the same for all 4. Got glitter add-ons, the washi. This is the thing that I got that's new. I do like that this is 4 whole boxes stripped down. And then I got the functional add-on, the half box sheet. This is one that I refuse for her to let go because I use these a lot. The full boxes, this is now into the weekly kit. Full boxes, little things, and headers. Ombre check boxes. And then this one has more like a sidebar slash like little half boxes. There's 8 of these. There's 2 half ombre check boxes. Sorry about that. I keep having to cut out because kiddo needs me. So there's 8 half boxes here. There's a weekly check box, 2 half ombre check boxes, a couple of habit trackers, a bill due, and a weekend banner. And then there's the date covers. There are these little washi strips that are blank that you can use for multiple things, including these scripts that are here. And then there's the bottom washi, a little thing of washi, and then glitter headers as well. I just realized I got double glitter headers. Well, apparently I need them. So there's that one. And then this one right here is Hello Fall. And I got the same thing, so I'm just gonna go quickly through this. I'm not gonna tell you what's in it because you already know. Alright guys, that's my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!